Welcome back. Today I have an interesting problem for you. A doctor has observed 70% of patients coming to him are diabetic. So he wants to know the probability that 3 out of 4 of his patients are diabetic. Now we know the probability given is 70%. That is, probability of patient being diabetic is 70 out of 100. That is 7 out of 10. Which means probability of finding a non-diabetic patient is 30 out of 100. That is 3 by 10. I calculate probability for 3 out of 4. For this we need to know that there are 4 permutations. That is, patient could be 3 diabetic and 1 non-diabetic. So I have these permutations: diabetic, non-diabetic, diabetic and diabetic, non-diabetic, diabetic and diabetic. That is, 3 patients are diabetic and 1 is non-diabetic. So I have 4 permutations. Therefore, I have to find out the probability like this. Probability of first patient being diabetic is 7 out of 10. Probability of second patient being diabetic is 7 out of 10. Probability of third patient being diabetic is 7 out of 10, and probability of fourth patient being non-diabetic is 3 by 10. This should be multiplied by 4 because the probability of fourth patient being non-diabetic is 3 by 10. This should be multiplied by 4 because there are 4 permutations. So I get 2. If a dice is thrown twice and first number appearing on the die is 3, that is, first trial yields 3, what is the probability that the second trial yields a number greater than 3? What is the probability that second trial yields greater than 3? This means first trial should yield 3. Second trial should yield a number greater than 3. That is, it should be 4 or 5 or 6. So sample space we know. When you roll out a dice, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and probability of getting 3 is 1 by 6. Now probability of getting a number greater than 3 is 1, 2, 3, that is 3 out of 6. Now we are looking for probability where first trial yields 3 and second trial yields greater than 3. This is a conditional probability or joint probability. So we have to multiply the probabilities. That is 1 by 6 into 3 by 6, that is 1 by 12. This is an example of conditional probability or joint probability. Thank you.